Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can make your Threads app private or Threads account private. So it is really gonna short and simple tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. I'm going to click the Threads app. I just brought it here for tutorial purpose, so I'm just going to click on Threads app. So once you click Threads app, then you will get the interface of Threads app. Once you arrive here, then you need to click here the bottom top corner on your screen, this one's human. So I'm just going to click here and again click edit profile. Here you can see the option edit profile. So once I click edit profile, then you'll see on the screen here is 4 option, and the last option private profile, this one. So in beginning and default it's public, so simply click on here this bottom. So once you click there, so now it's private mode, and then click done again top right corner on your screen. I'm just going to click done and okay. So alright, your account now in private. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching the video.